If you want to use Opera GX browser in incognito mode or in private browsing mode, then simply launch the browser on your computer and then go to the top left corner, click on that Opera logo and select New Private Window. Of course, you can also use the keyboard shortcuts, which are Ctrl plus Shift plus N, and that should open a new window in private browsing mode. Now this whole window is going to be in incognito mode. You can open new tabs and close other tabs, and all the tabs you use are going to have this logo here, which basically means it's in private browsing mode or incognito mode. When you're done, you can simply close that, and private windows do not store any browsing history, any cookies, any data about your browsing. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.